Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt, and today I'm doing a video about something that one of our supporters has asked about, and it's about something being good, very good, and even better, excellent. He pai is, it's good. He tino pai, it's very good. He tino pai rawa atu, so adding rawa atu to something means it's really, really good, or the best perhaps, or excellent. So that's perhaps how you would say excellent. So you can also use that to describe, to use other words here. So for he reka, delicious. He reka. He tino reka. He tino reka rawa atu. So reka, delicious. So that was the simplest way, without adding anything else, of describing the names of the things to follow this sentence structure. He teitei, tall. He tino teitei, taller, very tall. He tino teitei rawa atu. It's really, really tall. So we've got some ideas there about perhaps he pai kia hau. This is good to me, which means I like. He pai kia hau, I like. He pai kia hau. He tino pai kia hau. He tino pai rawa atu kia hau. And it's perhaps about liking that one the best. So I'm trying to stick with this, but for me, if I'm wanting to say that I like this one the best, or I like this one ki aho or ki o. And then another thing you can do is add the name of the thing. Okay, so he pai te arewhana, which is the elephant, is good. He tino pai te raiona. The lion is very good. As in, kind of, that's what I like. And he tino pai rawa atu te taika. Really, really good. The tiger is really, really good. So if you put those two things together, you could say he pai kia hau te aparo. I like the apple. It's good to me, the apple, which actually literally is very true. He pai kia hau te aparo. He tino pai kia hau te panana. He tino pai rawa atu kia hau te pea. So I'm also starting to name the things. What about tere, which is fast? He tere, whoopsie, very small, but this is about fast, not small. Pōturi is small, but for this one it's going to be fast. He tere te paihikara. The bike is fast. He tino tere te motopaika. The motorbike is very fast. And he tino tere rawa atu te waka rererangi. The plane is very, very fast. So we're changing the descriptive word here from pai or reka or tere, or you could have something that's slow or long or small or large, whatever thing. He nui te arewhana. Oh, should have started with something small. Okay, he nui te taika. He tino nui te rino rino. He tino nui rawa atu te arewhana. So we're sticking with this. We'll do some more things about this in another video, but we're just sticking to this pattern today. So this is the word that we're changing to describe something, whether it's big or small or good. And at the moment we're just doing things that are bigger and better. He tino pai rawa atu. And just before we end, this atu is to do with things that are getting bigger. Ake and atu are a little bit interchangeable. It depends on the word. And so this is me in the middle. Things coming towards me, like haere mai, come towards me. Haere atu, going bigger, further away. Haere atu, going away. Ake, up there, way up there. And iho, down below. So haere mai, haere atu, piki ake, climb up. Piki ake, and heke iho, go down. So that we've been talking about atu, and we've been talking about how to say something like good, very good, and excellent. So perhaps you could do something with yourself or children that you're working with or in the family, choosing some things, and perhaps they could talk about maybe with pictures from magazines or actual items, which things they like the best. And which things in order, this is good, this is very good, this is excellent. And this is the simplest sentence structure. And when you're wanting to make it a little bit longer, start from the simple. This is really simple because it's following a pattern. And if you want to add something specific about yourself, you would add this at the end. He pai kia hau, he tino pai kia hau, he tino pai rawa atu kia hau. So that's what thing I like. But without that, it's just, it's good. It's better. It's good. It's very good. It's excellent. And then to me. And then you could also put te and the name of that animal. Te arewhana. And then if you're doing this, I like the elephant, he pai kia hau te arewhana. He tino pai rawa atu kia hau te arewhana. So these things go at the end. Cool, we'll do some more things about that on another video. Hopefully that's helpful to you, and maybe an activity that you could do with children, perhaps at primary school level and maybe at early childhood as well, and practicing yourself with things around the house, perhaps what you like in the kitchen. I like this, this is good, this is better, this is best. Ka kite.